What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are ripping out a couple cabinets and installing our new to us refrigerator.
Yeah, it's much nicer.
So let's get to destroying things and get this sucker put in. So first things first, we are going to declutterify the existing refrigerator and dump all its contents haphazardly onto the table.
Yes, we're planning for the haphazard.
Yeah, I'll just record and you can do all the work. No?
Sounds familiar. No.
Jeez, we have a lot of sauces.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's all I've pulled out so far.
Behold, this is a refrigerator. Have you ever seen one of those before? That probably needs a battery at some point. And I've still got a battery, so we're okay.
Some cat toys and some dust.
Did you do that, buddy?
There was water hooked up to this thing?
Well, I mean, the pipe was. I don't know if there's any water to it. We should probably go check that, though. Or I can just loosen it. We can
Find out real fast.
Remember, class, do as I say, not as I do. Well, let me go shut that off. Clean under your fridge, people. It's filthy under there. Alright, well, we are off to Home Depot. We got our supply line kit. Alrighty, let's do this thing. This is the gasket, around blah blah.
What'd you find? Is that paper?
We'll go ahead and leave the pin actually protruding so I can get it in the hole easier. It's important to get it in the right hole.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's in.
All right, let's empty this out. I'll let you do the honors.
Oh yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. I believe in your ability to empty shelves above my head.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's holding it still.
Here, I'll just climb inside it, and that should be enough weight to pull it down, right? Oh, and plus side, we know these cabinets are really secure. God, that's handy.
Thank you so much, Jen Air Engineers, for putting wheels
Yeah.
on the refrigerator.
Yeah.
What a concept.
This thing is huge. Take a look in this bad boy. And it's clean, and it's spacious, and look, there's space for all of our sauces. I'm super excited for this. It's your filtered water. Oh yeah, the water's not hooked up. I'm a genius.
We just turned the water back on off camera and are checking for links. Links? Leaks. Scallions? Onions. Hey!
Nice.
Look at that. There's water. Sweet mercy me. Okay.
Let's level this thing.
It's got these little leveling feet on the front down here, and that gets the wheels up off the ground.
So that's good.
So, put the cover on it, otherwise we'll never do it.
Yeah, good call. I mean, no, we totally do things later when we say we're going to do things later.
Yeah.
That's a thing.
Everybody does that, right?
Yeah, that's normal.
It's because we're functioning adults.
Oh yeah. You're doing stuff over here.
Don't mind me.
It's alright, you do the work. I'll film the cat.
Yeah.
Sounds like a great deal. Boogie is
You having fun, bud?
playing behind the box of ramen. Which mee goreng ramen is, or Indomie mee goreng, delicious.
All right, so we got the fridge in and it's all hooked up and working. And we are going to magically make all that stuff be put away.
1, 2,
4,
3. Ta-da!
The kitchen's still a mess. Good job, team.
We did it.
We did it. I don't know why we always tackle these things late at night. It's always a great idea.
Alright, 7 p.m. Let's do 6 hours of work.
Thanks for watching, everybody. This was actually pretty uneventful as far as these projects go, but
It was easy, it just took some time.
yeah, hopefully something was useful. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.